Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you BONADE Modern Big Curved Waterfall Brass Bathroom Sink Tap. It's a single handle Basin mixer faucet. Durable and easy to clean. Made of solid brass and chrome finish. Advanced ceramic disc valve technology with a never leak guarantee. Functional design with single lever for precise control of the water flow and temperature. ABS aerator reduces the water flow noise and filters out the impurities. Water saving is possible up to 50%. And this is a lot. And it looks really modern. It looks smart. It looks nice designed. I like it really much. Note that this Basin sink faucet is not suitable for low pressure systems. For this tap to operate, we will need a water system which contains or which produce at least 0.5 bar of pressure. However, it's better with 1 bar. This is the optimal performance, but this is standard out there. 100 original packing free fast. BONADE stuff. And this was really fast. I ordered it and I think it was 20 hours later it was at my mail. It was really super fast. It is made of solid brass and chrome. It contains less than 0.2% total lead content by the weight average. It fits the European standards. It contains an exclusive design, and it is made with high quality. It adds beauty to our bathroom. Let us enjoy an elegant and comfortable life. It's really quick and it's easy to assemble. I will give you another video, an assembling video later, maybe in 1 or 2 weeks. It's very easy to take care and easy to clean. It is a water saving and low noise tap. The water hose is G3/8 50 cm stainless steel connection hose. The installation type is center set, and the installation holes are 1 hole. You will have only 1 hole in your sink. This will matches. Handles is a single handle. The installation diameters are 32 millimeter up to 35 millimeters. The minimum flow rate is 8.8 GPM. These are 6.81 liter per minute. The operation temperature is from 0 degrees Celsius up to 90 degrees Celsius, and the water pressure is from 0.5 up to 5 bar. Inside is a valve type made out of ceramic cartridge system, and the body material is 59er copper. And the handle material is zinc alloy. The surface is chrome. And you will get all what you need to use this modern big curved waterfall brass in your bathroom, or to install it into your bathroom. The only thing what you're going to need is pliers. Yeah, you will need 1 pliers, and this is enough. Then you can start and install it easily into your bathroom. So, yeah, not into your bathroom. It is your good old sink. So that it is. How it looks. It looks really beauty. It looks good designs. It looks durable designs, and it is made out of good quality, like the other taps before. I think Bonade is a really good brand, so I repeat of buying this stuff for my projects at home. Let's have a look for my assembling video next week. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.